Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Tong Seng Kambing, alright? I used to have this back then when I was in Bali. It's wonderful. Bumbu Samawa, that's what we're gonna use to make the Tong Seng. For a little bit kick of the spiciness, we're gonna use my sambal serai. Gluten-free, low salt, no preservative. Okay guys, before we start cooking, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. And thank you so much for supporting us. We need your support so I can keep cooking Indonesian food. Dump the onion, red pepper, let them cook a little bit. In Indonesia we use chunk, but today I'm gonna use a sliced lamb. So I'm gonna put at the last because I wanna make it kind of like medium rare. Because in Indonesia we like to cook everything like this. The bumbu that we're gonna use is called bumbu samawa. Go to our website or come to the restaurant and buy the seasoning. We're gonna use maybe like 1 spoon, yeah, Italian, okay, lime leaf, just a little bit coconut milk, okay, water. Okay, let them boil. And cook a little bit. Okay. If you like spicy, you can always add our sambal. It's called sambal serai. Just a little bit to give that a little bit kick. A little bit sambal. And the most important thing in making Tong Seng is Indonesian sweet sauce. Just a little bit. So we're gonna put the goat or the lamb. Okay. Put the lamb. A little bit fat. Gonna make the taste better. Alright. See that? Tomato a little bit. And put your cabbage. To give a little bit liquid, okay? Put water. I'm doing a beef base today. Just a little bit. That's it. Your Tong Seng ready to serve. Ta-da! It's ready to eat less than 15 minutes or even less than 10 minutes. Very quick and simple, and of course it's gonna taste wonderful. What are your seasonings? 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. All of the information in our description below. Thank you so much. Let's get cooking.